Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my hair. This is one of the ways that I do my hair, or used to do my hair when I used to go out and socialize with people back in the day. So I achieved this look with Velcro rollers and products and patience. It has taken a lot of practice. Hair is one of those things that I am not naturally good at. And it has taken me so long to figure out how to do my hair at home that's not like super complicated, and it looks really good and it's pretty effortless and it lasts for a couple days. So in this video, I will show you exactly step by step how to achieve this look. You will need Velcro rollers. Those are linked in the description, and you will need products. If your hair is naturally curly or whatnot, then you probably won't need many texturizing products, but for me, my hair is really straight and soft and pretty limp actually. I need to put a lot of products in my hair, and all those are linked in the description as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any videos like this in the future. And do check out my Instagram too, my Instagram feed here, where I post pictures of different products I'm using and like or dislike. So I just got out of the shower. I have not brushed through my hair or anything, and I just wanted to show you guys like my first step, and that is to use the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product to detangle my hair. This is also a heat protectant. So I'm gonna spray this all over, brush my hair out, apply the rest of my products. Products are a huge part of how I style my hair. My hair does have some texture because I have some highlights, and my hair has like a natural little bit of a wave pattern, but overall my hair is very limp and very soft and healthy. So I need to add products so my hair has a lot of texture, so it holds more of like a bouncy look. Brushed through my hair, and now I'm gonna use this It's a 10 Miracle blow dry volumizer. Holds hairstyle, so I like to spray this all through my hair. I use a second texturizing spray. I'm testing this one out. I actually like this a lot. This is Brooklyn Bombshell by Amika. This one's like a little bit tackier. I use Kevin Murphy volumizing mousse, this one right here, and I apply this more in targeted areas. I take a little bit and then I apply it directly on my roots. If you have any colics, this is a good time to use something really tacky like this to manipulate them. Like I have colics up here, and I always go in and just make sure the area is coated with a volumizing mousse. This Kevin Murphy one is one of the tackiest ones I've ever found. I take this Aiir Texture Aiir, it's called. This is kind of like a texturizing spray. Well, it is a texturizing spray. You can use on wet or dry hair. Okay, now that our products are applied, the next step is to define where you want your part. I like to do my part in the middle. Even though at the end of the day, it's really not gonna matter where you part your hair sometimes, like it has a mind of its own. And so when you take your rollers out, it may go to one side or the other, but you can always like force part it in the center if you do it this way. And I want my part to really lay flat as possible, so I'm going to brush this down. After I get my hair brushed out like this, I like to use an additional heat protector. Right now I'm using this Kerastase Elixir Ultimate, and I just put like a little bit on my hands, and then starting at the ends, just like lightly. The ends tend to get the most damage and are the driest, so I like to focus the product at the bottom of my hair. For this tutorial, you guys do need Velcro rollers. In order to apply the rollers, your hair needs to be almost dry. Just some general hair tips. Heat protectants are very underrated. If you don't have healthy hair, your hair is not going to look good. So I will not style my hair without a heat protector. I'm going to make some coffee and I'll be back in a few. Okay, so I'm back. Like anything, applying these Velcro rollers may take some practice, but just don't get frustrated. Keep practicing. So you're gonna need the Velcro rollers, obviously, a blow dryer plugged in, and then you're gonna need about 15 to 20 of these types of bobby pins. That's how I use these Velcro rollers. Don't just stay in my hair. I don't know whose hair they just stay in. My hair has air dried a little bit, but you wanna get it drier. So I'm gonna power dry it. I think that's good enough. I would never do this hairstyle on a day that I'm rushing because you can't rush it. We're gonna start applying these rollers. So you just start by taking sections of the hair and take the Velcro roller and apply it. And then just apply the bobby pin too, like so. And you just do that the whole way back. This does not have to be perfect. In fact, it won't be perfect, and it's really annoying, I'm not gonna lie, because I am an OCD-ass bitch, but you just gotta let it go. Now you see I only have a 3 in, but now I'm just gonna do the sides, just, you know, to change it up. Doesn't really matter what order you go in, just go in whatever order is comfortable to you. I like to split the sides of the head into a quadrant. So this is like the front half, upper half, you know. So I like to apply the top 2 first. When you're applying them, you want to pull the hair up, like all the way up, so then the angle, you know, like the hair is getting boosted from underneath. And I will reassure you that as long as you're using the right products and your hair is the right amount of damp, you can't really make this look bad. Even though it feels like sometimes like, oh my god, it's like not perfect or it's sloppy. Knock on wood, I've never had this look like bad after I was done, even despite how sloppy the rolls turned out. Because let's face it, like, I'm not a professional hairstylist. So yeah. Do my arms hurt? Yes, they do hurt a little bit sometimes. I'm just gonna, you know, be honest, you have to get over it. You have to get over it. Your arms might get tired while you're doing your hair. As a girl, that's just, it comes with the territory, okay? And this doesn't take too long to do, actually. I've never timed it, but I would, if I had to guess, it probably takes 10 to 15 minutes to apply these. Literally, hair is just annoying to me, but this is like one of the best ways that I have found to achieve kind of like that professional blowout look. Like really sexy, bouncy, curly hair without really, you know, having to put much effort in. Because the issue is, if you've ever given yourself a blowout, like a real blowout, you know what a pain in the ass that is. It is the biggest pain in the ass. So doing this mimics a blowout, but it actually the results are way better, but it mimics a professional blowout. Okay, there's like random strands that I'm just gonna put in rollers. To be honest, this is like a cute look actually. I just want to blow dry them enough to like heat them and set them and, you know, dry them a little bit. I have dried them a little bit and I like to go and touch each individual one with the blow dryer. You really have to go through and make sure you touch each roller to make sure that each of them are getting as dry as the next one, because obviously if you take these out before they're dry, you are fucked. So I say this to do this on a day that you are not rushing, okay? I'm gonna leave these in for at least a couple hours. It's 9:30 right now. I'm gonna go do some work. This is why I say not to do this on a day that you have to rush. I guess you could rush this if you wanted to. You could sit here and continue to blow dry all of these. I like to blow dry it in segments because I feel like it just helps hold the curl better, because it's, some of it is air drying into place and some of it is being forced blow dried into place, and then you also have ample time for it to cool into place too. Cooling it into place is just as important as it is to blow dry it into place. Okay guys, it's been a few hours. It is now 2 o'clock. So obviously I've had these in since 9:30, but you don't need to keep them in that long, but I've blow dried them like 3 or 4 times. It's important not to blow dry them right before you take them out though. but I will spray them lightly. The way I like taking them out is just starting at the bottom and just unrolling them. Ugh, ew, it's Aiir hairspray. So I just kind of unroll them, you know, as gently as possible, obviously. Just start at the bottom and then I just like to brush it out, like the roots. Ugh. And nowhere to go. The best body and texture. So, I mean, your part really goes any which way. Like, my part decided to go this way today, but I just am obsessed with it. And then I will spray it. I wonder if I could do it this other way too. And you can flip it any which way. I just flipped my head over, but I like to spray it. And I also use the same texturing spray. And that's it. Voila. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this video with your friends, you know, who need help with their hair. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.